Hello guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you several tips on how to improve or speed up the performance of your PC. So if you're interested, please watch till the end. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. We can do it by pressing the Windows plus letter R, and this will pop up. In order for us to continue, we just need to type this code, which is %temp%, then press OK. Okay, so now guys, all the files that you are seeing on your screen, you just need to delete it so that the performance of your PC will be improved. Okay, so Ctrl A, then press Shift Delete, then press Yes. Okay, for the second tip, first we need to go to the search panel, then search for disk cleanup. Okay, so guys, this is what they call the disk cleanup for Windows. So in order to use this, we just need to check the checkboxes. But before checking the checkboxes, make sure that you are not deleting some of your files. After making sure of it, then press Clean Up System Files. Then after that, press OK. Then delete files. Okay, so now let's move on to the third tip that I will be showing you. So first, let's go to the search panel and search notifications. If you can see this, notifications and action settings, click on it. You will be redirected into these settings, into the notification and action settings. Scroll it down and look for the checkbox for get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows, and uncheck it. Unchecking this box will help us and give us a slight improvement in the performance of our PC. Okay, now let's proceed to number 4 on the list. If you are already in your settings, just go to storage, then look for storage sense. As you can see here, storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. If you think that the temporary files on your PC are no longer needed, I recommended you to turn on this storage sense. But if you still need those temporary files, maybe you should reconsider in turning it on. Next, and the number 5 on the list, is by turning off the transparency effects in our PC. We know that transparency effects uses up system resources that slows down our PC. So in order to turn it off, let's go to Home, then look for Personalization. After that, go to Colors, then look for Transparency Effects. Then, click it to turn it off. Number 6 on the list is by turning on the game mode in your PC. In order to do this, go to Gaming and select Game Mode. If you are already here, turn on the game mode. By turning this on, it will help you have a better frame rate, and also it will reduce the lag in your PC. Next, number 7 on the list is changing the update time of our system. Okay, so if you are already on the settings, just go to Update and Security. One factor that can slow down the performance of our computer is that when Windows Update is running on the background. In order to stop it, So it's up to you guys if you want to post updates for 7 days or if you want to change the active hours so Windows Update won't update during that time, and also it won't disrupt you when you're doing something. And of course, it will resume its update when it is not already in your active hours. For example, for me, if my active hours is 3 a.m. to 7 p.m., there won't be any updates that will take place in that time. But if it reaches 8 p.m., updates will resume. Next, and number 8 on the list, first let's go to Control Panel. Search for Control, then click Control Panel. So one factor that can affect the performance of our PC is our power settings. So in order to go there, click on Power Options. So as you can see here, we have two choices here. And as for me, I chose the high performance. It means that it favors performance but may use more energy. As for the balance option, automatically balances performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. So it's up to you guys if you want to choose the balance one or the high performance. Next and lastly, the number 9 on the list. So if you are still on your control panel, go to programs and features. So if you are already here, I advise you guys to delete all the programs that you are not using anymore. Deleting unused programs will help you to speed up the performance of your PC. Okay, so that's all guys for today's video, and I hope you learned something from this video. That's it and goodbye.